Hello everybody, Floppy Hat Photos back here again for my second attempt at 52 new kayaking trips in 1 year. 2017, 52 kayaking trips in 2017 did not work out well for me. I did not make it, really kind of screwed the pooch on that one. So I also failed at the 52 long runs in 2017 also. So I'm recreating those two. I'm trying to turn so I can get the light out of the sun out of my eyes so much. It's been overcast most of this paddle, and then as I try and make the video, it's so damn bright I can't even see my phone. So, but yeah, anyway, I'm out here just south of the Three Bridges. If you're familiar with New Smyrna Beach, Florida, there's an area that's called Three Bridges going just north on 1, and I've just put in just south of those bridges and headed back south towards the airport and that. So there's also a boat ramp right down over here too. So the sun is super bright behind me now, or off to the left of me now, and just out here chilling out in the water, having a good time. About 1.17 miles into it, also enjoying a cigar on the paddle. Been out here for, I don't know, 25 minutes or so, 27 minutes and 22 seconds according to my watch. So just out here chilling out. This is paddle number 1 for 2018, and I'm gonna try my hand again at getting the 52 in. So wish me luck, and I'll hope to see y'all soon. Hope you have yourself a safe, wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Get out there, hit the water, and get your paddle on.